I'm here to give you an update on what is going on in Solace City Bungalow Phase 2. The last time I was here, you know, it was the Phase 1 I was standing in to show you how the Phase 2 is going to look like. And today I am standing in Solace City Phase 2 Bungalow. As you can see, this has been built and it has been completed. Right here, we have 3-bedroom bungalow and we also have 4-bedroom bungalow with BQ. This is located at Ibeju-Lekki, Elerengbe, a few minutes away from the Lekki-Epe Expressway, and it is also a few minutes away from the Allocation junction. For those that are looking for bungalow for their aged parents, those looking for bungalow for commercial purpose, which is Airbnb, probably if you're staying on the mainland, you need a place here on the island where once in a while you want to come with your family, you can actually get this place. I'm going to be flipping the camera around to show you the inside of this house. See, what you're seeing outside here is not as beautiful as how the inside is. The inside is actually very nice. People who come here, it is love at first sight. Clients has been coming here, and as a matter of fact, is going to be sold out very soon with an initial deposit of 5 million naira. Do you know you can key into this property? Spread your balance for up to 12 months with just little interest. My name is Onyinyechi, Realtor, Houseofonyich. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do well to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Let me know what you think about this bungalow. I'm currently standing on the 4-bedroom bungalow. I'm also going to be showing you the 3-bedroom bungalow, which is there. I'll be showing you the inside. I'm going to attach it in my video. So what are we waiting for? I can't wait to show you this property. Let's store this beauty together, shall we? Let's move. Welcome once again. This is an off-plan project, and whenever I bring up an off-plan project, I make sure I do my due diligence before I bring it to the market, because I know making money is not easy at all. And this particular bungalow is something that you can invest in and you will not be scared of it, because as a matter of fact, there's going to be an allocation that will be done here on the 22nd of August 2026. If you're watching this before the end of August 2026, congratulations, you're going to be getting a 5% discount. You'll be getting the 3-bedroom bungalow with BQ for 74.1 million naira instead of 78 million naira, and you're going to be getting the 4-bedroom bungalow with BQ for 85.5 million naira instead of 90 million naira. With an initial deposit of 5 million naira, you are going to secure a unit here, and by the time the price goes back to 90 million or 78 million naira, you won't be affected. I'm going to be taking you around this place to show you what you should be expecting. Right here by my left hand side is where we have the football pitch, and then when you go into the estate, you're going to see the basketball pitch. I want us to look at this property from 4 different angles: the location, the exterior, the interior, and most importantly, the investment logic behind owning one. Because sometimes the biggest mistake people make in real estate is looking only at what a property looks like today. Smart investors ask, what is this location becoming? And that is where this conversation gets interesting. Let's start with the location. Solace City is situated around Elerengbe within the Ibeju-Lekki axis of Lagos. Now, I know you've probably heard the name Ibeju-Lekki many times, and I know you've probably heard people mention the refinery, the deep sea port, the airport, and other developments. But I want us to approach the location differently. Don't just ask, is this place developed already? Rather, ask, what is driving people and businesses towards this corridor? Because real estate does not appreciate simply because somebody puts a beautiful building or a piece of land. Property values are influenced by things like accessibility, the infrastructure, the economic activity, population growth, housing demand, and the quality of development happening around the area. The project started early this year, and you can see how far we have gone. More units are still coming up. These units standing tall are for those who paid earlier when this property was newly launched, and we're going to be having greenness in this place. One thing I want you to notice here is that this is not simply about individual bungalow. Look at the environment, the road network, look at the layout, look at the drainage, look at the estate structure. You can see that the gatehouse has already been done. Let me do a 360 of this house before we go inside. Like I said before, this is the 4-bedroom bungalow, and it has a BQ. You can see how spacious the parking slot is, this can accommodate up to 3 to 4 cars. Solace City is designed as a gated residential community with features advertised including paved internal roads, drainage infrastructure, street lighting, security and landscaping. And these things may sound ordinary until you start thinking like a homeowner. Imagine coming home to a place that the road is not accessible. You will feel bad. You don't want to start thinking about the drainage every time it rains. You want your home to look beautiful while the environment looks completely disconnected from it. You want the house and the environment to make sense together. That is one of the things I like about planned development. Right here is where we have the BQ, and they did it in a way that your BQ can easily connect to the kitchen. So the door facing the outside of the kitchen, you can easily connect to your BQ. Ibeju-Lekki has increasingly become one of these areas investors watch because of the concentration of major developments and infrastructure around the wider Lekki corridor. Solace City is positioned close to major landmarks and corridors, including the Lekki-Epe Expressway, the Lekki Deep Seaport, the Dangote Refinery, the Pan-Atlantic University, and the proposed Lekki International Airport. Now, I don't want you to hear those names and immediately think, therefore my property will definitely double in price. No, real estate doesn't work like that. What this development creates is economic activity and the possibility of increased demand over time. And that distinction is important because as an investor, you don't want somebody selling you a dream. You want to understand the fundamentals. You want to know where is this property, what infrastructure is coming, who is likely to live here, and what could create demand for this type of property in future. Now let's go inside. Welcome home. Welcome to this magnificent, gorgeous 4-bedroom bungalow right here in Ibeju-Lekki. Can you see how spacious this is? This can take a 4-seater chair conveniently. You can see that place where the TV is. You can actually design your own TV console there. It also has space differently for your dining area, which is very close to the kitchen. The lighting here is very nice. Did I also mention that you're going to be getting a 2.5 kV inverter? If I didn't, forgive me. You're going to be getting it. This is one of the rooms that we have here. For those that don't have a large family and end up getting a 4-bedroom bungalow, you can actually turn one room to your office space. Or for those that want to do business from home, you can turn one of your rooms to your place where you pack the things that you're selling. You can even beautify it and you start online business. Like a lot of people are doing this and it is going on well for them. Everything you see here is not going to come with your house. We just want to show you how you're going to decorate your home. Now let's go into the kitchen. This is actually really nice. It's just long. I know the space is not wide, it is long, but at the same time you can actually keep a lot of things right here. It's not going to become with your freezer, but your freezer can stay there. You have a lot of kitchen cabinets where you can store your stuff, where you can keep your pots, keep your privileges and every other thing you want to keep. It's going to be coming with the burner, it's going to be coming with the microwave and the oven. Anybody that is very tall can live in this place. You don't need to bend down. And can you see the paintings they used in this house? The paintings are really nice. So they always say a beautiful house is good. A beautiful house that works for your lifestyle is better, and this right here is what we call lifestyle. Let's go into the second room we have here. Look at how spacious this room is. It can take a 6x6 bed conveniently. All rooms here are en suite. The space in the bathroom is also very nice. Okay, so you can decide to do your own shower cubicle there. I love the way they did the wardrobe in this house, so that the movement in the room can be very, very easy. Let's check out the third room that we have right here. This particular room can accommodate a 4x5 bed conveniently. It can even take a 5x6 bed conveniently. But if you want space where you can keep your table and chair, I would advise you go for a 4x5 bed so that you can actually have space where you can keep a table or a chair. And if you're using this for your kids, you can as well do a bunk bed for them. Let's check out the fourth room that we have right here. This room can actually take a 4x5 bed conveniently, and there will be enough space to move around. When I brought a client here, he came with his friend. The moment the client saw the bed frame and the wooden frames, the person asked for the contact of the interior designer of this house, because this is actually very beautiful. And if you're someone who wants to get this property and you need an interior designer that can actually do something like this for you, that is not a problem. I can connect you to one. This is where we have the visitor's toilet. You can see how large the windows are. We are done touring the 4-bedroom bungalow. Remember, I told you I'm going to be attaching the 3-bedroom bungalow to the video. Now let's go to the part many people are waiting for. Why should you invest here? The answer is simple. That is because real estate rewards positioning. The people who make money in real estate aren't always the people who buy the most expensive properties. Sometimes there are people who identify a location and products that make sense before everyone starts talking about it. There are people who invest in off-plan projects because they know that by the time that area is fully developed, the prices of houses around that area is going to skyrocket. Solace City gives you the opportunity to own a physical asset in a developing part of Lekki corridor, rather than simply keeping all your money in cash. And there's something important here. You're not buying only the building, you're buying the land beneath. And the 3-bedroom bungalow plus BQ is built on a 300 square meters, while the 4-bedroom bungalow with BQ is built on a 350 square meters. You are buying into an estate environment. You are also buying access to a particular location. You are buying assets that can potentially serve different purposes over time. You can live in it, you can hold it and resell when the place is fully developed to those who really need a house around here, and you can benefit from appreciation if demand and the surrounding developments continue to strengthen. This is the living room of the 3-bedroom bungalow. I don't even want to talk too much. You can see that both the 3-bedroom and the 4-bedroom bungalow is well spaced. Like, it is very spacious. The developer used it very well. Right there is where we have the visitors toilet, and you can decorate your TV console the way you want it to. Solace City Bungalow is already attracting attention, and with the development happening around this corridor, early investors are positioning themselves for the future. But I don't want you to make a decision simply because I said so. I want you to come and see it for yourself. If you're buying for yourself, for your family, for investments, for your aged parents, or a Nigerian in the diaspora looking for a strategic property investment back home, or a retirement plan, because most people, when they see this bungalow, they will say, wow, this is just beautiful for a retirement plan, send a message to the number showing right on your screen. I will give you the available options, the current prices, the payment information, and everything you need to know before making a commitment. And if you're serious, book your inspection, because the biggest mistake in real estate is not always buying the wrong property. Sometimes it is seeing the right opportunity early and doing nothing. Remember, at the end of August 2026, the price goes back to the original price. Now is the best time to key into this property with just an initial deposit of 5 million naira, and you can spread your balance for up to 12 months. Don't wait until the last units are gone before you start asking questions. Your next property investment could start right here at Solace City Bungalow. I'm your real estate consultant, and I'm here to help you find property that makes sense for your money. Send a DM today with the word Solace, and let's discuss your investment options. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.